this has to do with some information that we gathered in the course of some investigations that some cartels were trying to introduce this leather synthetic opiod, that is fentanyl, and those that are familiar with fentanyl will know what that is doing in the U.S. and some other parts of the world at the moment. This is a very lethal drug that is 100 times stronger than tramadol that we're
100 times
with here. Yes, stronger than tramadol, and even something that is 80% more potent than morphine and 100 times more lethal than heroin. You know, if something is more lethal, 100 times more lethal than heroin, then you can just imagine the lethality of that kind of a drug, and that is exactly what some unscrupulous elements are trying to introduce into the Nigerian market with our youth population as their target. And this is a drug that at the moment is responsible for more than 70% of overdose deaths in the U.S. And this is why we have to come out at the moment, because this is something that is capable of causing mass casualty, and we don't want to wait until that is happening. So we're trying to be as proactive as possible by raising the level of awareness of our citizens, of our parents, of all the stakeholders, so that we can all be on the lookout, alert, vigilant, and ensure that all of us do what we have to do from our different ends to prevent this dangerous drug from going into circulation in Nigeria. Nevertheless, like we said in our statement, we're very much on top of all the information that we're working with, and we're trailing those involved in this. And as soon as we have updates on monitoring and efforts on them, we'll definitely let the public know that.
During the course of my own little investigation on this, I learned that fentanyl is already in circulation. How true is this?
Well, I don't have that information, because it's a drug that if indeed it is circulation, then we wouldn't be saying what we're saying at the moment.
But talk to me, Mr. Femi.
We are talking of. Okay, go ahead.
Go on, please. Talking of what?
Yeah, what I'm saying in essence is, if perhaps there could be some elements, some ingredients. Do you understand? Some ingredients of that is some other drugs, as an opioid on its own. That's fentanyl. We're not sure that we have that in circulation already, and that's why we're trying to prevent that. And whatever the case may be, we are following those involved in these dangerous threats, and we're doing all that we need to do to ensure that we save our youth population from getting consumed by these dangerous opioids. But then for us, we have always detected them, we have always uncovered them and brought all of these things out. And so this is why we're also saying to the people, it may not come with the name personnel, it may come in other packaging, it may come in other forms. And so the best bet is for everybody to be vigilant on the alert and to avoid taking any illicit or controlled substance at this moment, not recommended for medical use.